So here we go. We're going to go ahead and turn on that three-way switch. Again, it's just a three-way switch that I got from Evan Design. Turn it one way and it'll click on one light. Put it in the middle, shut them both off, put it on the other side, and it'll turn on the other light. So just to show you underneath the table here, my workbench that I have here, here's one light. And it seems to work pretty well. So this is a short video of the light installation on JS Hyuga. I just want to point out that I'll be running standard lights on board Navy ships, white and red. The white is the standard light, the red being for darkened ship. I attached here a three-way switch. Thank you to Evan Designs. They're the ones who provided the materials for me to connect the items. As you can see here, I have connection points for the two lights, a splitter that I have in blue, and then the two lights that I have running up to where the model will be. Now the LEDs that I have here are the smallest ones that they have. They are the Z-type chip. A very small LED that we have. So the good news is that no heat will be emitted. The lights seem to be working in several tests that I've run. So let me show you what that light will look like. So again here, I'm going to go ahead and test the light, final test, before I start making a stand for it. I'm going to switch one light on. And as you can see, that three-way switch turns on one light that I have. It will be bright enough for the hangar deck on board JS Hyuga. And switching it off to the red running light. So both lights will not be turned on simultaneously. One will be turned on, the other one will off. And vice versa. Next thing I will be doing is installing these lights into the stand and into the ship itself. All right.